Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to share Excel document online. To start, open File Explorer. Here, select the Excel file and you will drag it to the desired folder in the OneDrive section. Thanks to this file will be available online. Open the folder in OneDrive to review the file. Right-click on it and click Share. You can see that various options are offered to carry out this process. Clicking on any of these will open the associated app. In this example, we will click on one of the available contacts. Now you can see the user, subject, and attached Excel file. If you need, enter a message and click Send. We will see that the document has been shared correctly. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.